Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are opening up my BoxyCharm base box for March 2022.
B-O-X-Y, you ain't got no alibi, you boxy.
Okay, sorry about that. If you are new here, hi. No, never mind. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. He helps me do unboxings.
I try.
Here on my channel, I do unboxings, I do makeup material, and I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic subjects and mental health issues. If you're into any of those topics, or if you're into all of them, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my BoxyCharm, what antics Aaron is getting into today, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, thank you for joining us today and spending some time with us. We greatly appreciate you. And, okay, this is the BoxyCharm base box. I think it is $27.99. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in BoxyCharm. You always know it's a base box because it is red inside. You get 5 full size items and you get to choose one of those items. Here is the card, and it explains all the items that you get.
Didn't I see this already? Is that
Yeah.
the same thing that was in your mega box or whatever?
It was in my premium box.
Premium box, okay. That's why it looks familiar. Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Are you a boss babe?
I hate that word, boss babe, so much.
Hashtag boss babe.
Look, I used to own a business, and I owned it successfully for 8 years, and I was a boss. I was not a boss babe. The word boss babe kind of cheapens the word. It makes me think that you are kind of inferior as a boss. And I mean, it makes...
It's sort of like you go girl, but in a more business sense. Like, look at you doing your business. Hashtag boss babe.
I mean, if anybody called me a boss babe while I was running my business, I probably would have yelled at them. Because...
Yell at them? No. Well, maybe.
Because I hate that word so much. It makes me think of MLM Huns too.
That seems to be where it shows up the most, you know? It's like, hey, hon, I just thought you'd be great to help me promote this new product. And, you could be your own boss. Hashtag boss babe. Be your own boss. Now, first step is you sign up and work for me.
So, I just hate that word so much. If you want to have a Women's History Month, that's fine. Whatever. But...
Is that fine? You given permission for that?
But...
You heard it here first.
Nothing made me special as a woman-owned business. I was just a person who owned a business. I didn't want any special privilege for being a woman-owned business. I didn't ask for any special privileges for that. I was just a person who owned a business. So any person could have ran my business. A man could have ran my business.
Not me, some other guy.
Nothing.
That's too much stress for me.
nothing made me special about being the boss. Nothing.
I think it's less about the running the thing and being successful. It's more about the image. You know, it's like, you know, you're a boss babe doing it all. You know, you've got your family or whatever, and you've got your career, and also you're, you know, obviously spending 10 hours a day doing, you know, fashion and getting designer stuff because look at you, you're fabulous. Hashtag boss babe.
Okay, let's just get into the box. Okay, what did I choose? Oh, yeah, I chose this Oprah. What does it say about it?
Oh, for cosmetics, charm your cheeks. Mini mix blush palette. Don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette. Made with Ofra's liquid to baked tech. This 6-pan blush palette is long wearing and ultra pigmented with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. Hit pan, remix or refill all your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette.
Yeah.
MSRP $39 at Over Cosmetics Box Exclusive. So it is refillable. Do they pop out?
Yeah, there's little things there that you can pop them out.
That's cool. And you could like move them to different positions. Is it like, did that violate the warranty or something like that? You've disrupted the color story. Someday there's going to be like a kiosk or a machine at the mall or something where it'll have like a generic palette, and you like pick the colors off of a thing, and it like mixes them and puts them in there for you, and you make your custom palette.
These aren't too...
Just like that Crayola thing with the markers.
Yeah, they're pretty. They're pretty pigmented. You just can't see it.
Are they hashtag boss babe worthy? Always with the violence.
I like that.
My daughter prefers hashtag girl boss. She says, according to her, she says girl boss is a state of mind. So anybody could be a girl boss, even if you're not a girl or a boss.
Yeah, that's what bothers me is this younger generation. Like, my kids, like, young generation, like using the word girl boss a lot.
You know what bothers me? People. Doing stuff, saying things, just being around. God. Where do they get off anyway?
Okay, I already got this from Ipsy. It's the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask.
Hashtag duplicate. Aceology detoxifying. Take all the foxes out of you. Detoxifying treatment mask. A supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled, with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt. And the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. Yeah.
I would say any woman could have
at
done my job too.
Beauty.
Anybody could have done my job.
Android, you know. I don't think anybody could have done your job. This is very stressful.
This is the kind of mask that dries on your face and you peel it off.
And all the toxins go with it. And then you burn them in the medical waste burner.
I've gotten this before too.
Boxy.
Okay, this is the Rowan Valbrow.
Wow. Not Wowbrow. Valbrow. Do you think Wowbrow was taken and they had to change it at the very last second? That's what I think.
And the color Dark Fonce?
Foncé. Huh.
Dark
Foncé. Valbrow is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. The fine 1.7 millimeter tip and firm formula, now 1.6, now 1.8, 1.9. 7. And firm formula is ideal for both precise and natural-looking brows. Use the built-in spoolie brush to blend and comb. A vow brow has been tested on different brows, shapes, and skin tones. This we vow. Doesn't say that.
At least I got the color right.
Rowan Beauty is made with clean ingredients that don't compromise.
I like Rowan Beauty. It's just I got this before. I don't know where I got it from.
Spoolie is a word that makes me just
I got another freaking hair mask. Okay, this is going in a giveaway.
Hair mask, hair mask.
With coconut oil and maru butter. This is what I get for talking crap.
They're like, oh yeah, so you gotta say that, huh? Let's just make a last minute change to box. Healthy maru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before.
By Style Dry.
Mm-hmm. So yeah.
Okay. Beyond is something from Earth Harbor.
This looks like the same thing too. Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not the same thing I got yesterday.
I thought if you got that box, that was supposed to replace your regular box. Or am I thinking of Ipsy?
That was...
Actually, that one was blue. This one's not blue.
No. This is called Nymph.
Slightly different.
Nectar.
Nymph Nectar, huh? Let's squeeze it out of them, huh?
What does it say about
it? Sounds unsavory. Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. A nymph is not a fruit. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet.
It smells good.
Playfully melt and insert things into you.
How do you use it?
Well, they just told you. You put it on your face and they melt and insert things into you. Let's read the ritual. This ritual can only be performed under the new moon. As a moisturizer, emulsify, do you know how to emulsify? Emulsify a tiny dollop between your fingers and gently massage into your face, neck, and décolleté.
Décolleté.
Décolleté?
No, that's not how you say it.
Yeah. As a sleeping mask, for the last step in your nightly skincare ritual, so it's a sub-ritual. Apply a generous layer. Massage in, let absorb for 10 minutes. Triple ritual. 3 ritual options. As a rescue repair treatment, scoop out a small dollop and massage into affected area. See, for the moisturizer, use a tiny dollop. The rescue repair treatment, use a small dollop. Don't forget that.
So I said moisturizer.
No, you weren't listening. You can use it 3 different ways. It's a Superfruit Radiance Balm. Sea fruit plus super berries. 1 fluid ounce of playfully melting and inserting things into you. Playfully.
Okay.
Now, it doesn't say for the rescue repair how long you're supposed to let it absorb, you know? I mean...
You're just supposed to let it absorb.
But what happens at the end of the 10 minutes? You go to sleep? I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, can you get your calculator?
Did you open this up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, you did. You're looking at it. I just want to see if it smells like nymph. It smells like peach sherbet or something. It smells pretty good.
Okay, do you have a
calculator? If that was
calculator?
some sort of non-dairy frosty treat, I would eat it.
Okay. In this month's box, I got the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar I got the coconut and fig hair mask. I got the Aceology detoxifying treatment mask, which I already have. I got the Rowan Vow Brow, which I don't use. Eyebrow product like that. And I got the Ofra blush palette, which I really like. So how much was it all?
$189.
So that's not bad for the price. I would, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give this one a 1 because the blush palette really saved it. I'm not excited about anything else in here. So I think Premium Box won out this time. Yeah, so much for Women's History Month.
Women like extracts.
I guess.
Trying to see if anything in this ingredient list says fresh squeezed nymph. Is that vegan? That doesn't sound vegan. Or cruelty free for that matter. But I guess it's whatever it is, it's happy because it's playfully melt on your face.
Yeah.
Not like, reluctantly or sadly.
So, I'm sorry if I offended anyone with my boss babe rant, but,
Oh, and I like to point this out because I didn't show this last time. So, on this box here, let's see if we can see it at all. Not really. Okay, here we go. Okay, you just barely see the little, you see the little logos on there. So, this is plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair source, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman-owned. Now, the woman-owned one shows a little mermaid. So I'm not entirely sure what to make of that. But I'm pretty sure that mermaids are not nymphs. So, if a mermaid owns it, then it's okay.
okay.
She doesn't have to worry about, ending up in it. So, yeah, I just wanted to, put that out there.
Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Did you get this month's BoxyCharm? Did you get any of the same items?
Did you get all the same stuff again, or is Boxy just out to get you?
Yeah, is it just me? Okay. I hope you're having we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, we hope something comes along and kickstarts your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day and that it follows you into the weekend. Or I guess today's only Wednesday, but okay.
Long weekend.
A long weekend.
They could be watching this on the weekend.
Okay, or weekend, whenever you are watching this, and okay, if you're having an especially hard time, we are sending you out those good vibes to you, and just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there, and okay, tomorrow is my big St. Patrick's Day collab, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you then. Okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.